Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Darkstar on Binance Alpha. As you know, Darkstar just got listed on Binance Alpha, so if you want to buy it, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search Darkstar, search it, and you will find Darkstar on Alpha. This one, you can click it, and this is the charts. I think the charge is good. It's not quick dump. I think it will be higher, but it's not financial advice, so you have to do your own research. If you want to see the details, you can click info here. As you can see, the 24-hour high, low, and the volume is good, 12 million. And then you can check also their website and their social media. And if you want to buy it, first you can click trade here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order. You can put the price here, it's up to you, like this, and you can choose the amount. Also, you can choose instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to Darkstar. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.